So guys, here's how you can power on the switch off Realme phone if your power button is broken. So let's say this power button is broken and you are not able to use it, but in my case I can power it off. So in this case I'm going to show you how you can turn on without power button. All right, so let me switch this off first so you can see I'm powering off. So for this guide you will need a USB cable that is inserted on your power bank, charger, or even a laptop. So I have connected this to my laptop. As you guys can see, this is a charger that I have connected. So here's a trick. All you need to do is you will need to hold down power up. So in some devices you will need to hold power down. All right, so for this tutorial, this is my C53 Realme, and all you need to do is press on the volume up button. Just keep pressing, and then you need to plug this in. All right, so just keep pressing the power off button, and you'll feel the vibration on your device. Keep pressing, don't let it go. And there you go, we have a vibration. Now you can release the button and you can unplug the charger or USB. Now this will simply turn on your phone. And I haven't used power button, as you guys can see that. So let's see. And there you go guys, so now you can use your phone and it's completely working as well, as you guys can see that. So yeah, with the help of this USB, you can turn on your Realme phone if you have the broken power button. So guys, this is it. It's that simple and easy. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.